Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. Today we are looking at test 1E of Lantern series steps to quantitative reasoning book 6. And we have an example and we have exercise. So let us look at the operations that works behind the examples and we can now use that to solve the exercise. One thing we must take note is that the operation must work for all the exercise before we can apply it. Let's take the first one. We have 2, 3, 4, and 11. So the operation that works behind this is 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3, and that will give you 11. It means the first and the third, we are multiplying them together. We are now adding them to the one that is in the middle, and that will give us the one that is below them. Let's examine for the second one and see how that works. 8 multiplied by 7 plus 5. 8 multiplied by 7, that gives us 56. 56 plus 5, that gives us 61. So that is how we got this. So it works. Now let's test it for the third. We have 4 multiplied by 12 plus 2. So 4 multiplied by 12 gives us 48 plus 2, and that gives us 50. So it works for the 3. Now let us take it into the exercise. We have 1 over 2 multiply by 16 plus unknown. Let our unknown be y. I said it equals 15. So 1 over 2 multiplied by 16 will give us 8. 8 plus y gives 15. So if you take this to the other side, y equals 15 minus 8, and that is 7. So our answer is A. So the missing number here is 7. Let's look at the second one. What we must take note is the operation that goes on behind the numbers. We have 19 multiply by 3 plus 13, and that gives us, let us quickly use calculator. That's 19 multiplied by 3, that gives us 57. 57, oh sorry, there is addition sign here. 57 plus 13, that gives us 70. So what we have here is 70. The answer is D. Let's look at the next one. We have 24 multiply by y, which is the unknown. Let's say this is y plus 24, and this gives us 168. So if we multiply this gives us 24y plus 24 equals 168. Therefore, 24y equals 168 minus 24, and that is 24y equals 168 minus 24, that is 144. So if you divide both sides by 24, this will go 1, 24 here 1, and 24 in 144, that will give you 6. So our answer is C. So C is the missing number. Let me rub this off. Now let us look at the next one. We have unknown here. Let our unknown here be A. A multiplied by 27 plus 9 equals 18. So if you multiply this gives you 27 27a plus 9 equals 18. Therefore, 27a equals 18 minus 9. That is 27a equals 9. So if you divide both sides by 27, this goes here 1 and this goes here 1. So 9 goes here 1 and 9 here, that is 3. So a equals 1 over 3. So our answer is 1 over 3, which is D. So what we have here is 1 over 3. I'm going to rub this off. So for the last one, we have 9 multiplied by 8, the first and the last, plus the one in the middle. So 9 multiplied by 8, that gives us 72 plus 28. 72 plus 28, that gives us 100. So our answer is C, and that gives us 100. So that is the solution to 1E of the lantern steps to quantitative reasoning. If you have any question regarding this solution or other solutions that are provided, or you want me to attend to a particular problem, please feel free to put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. And kindly remember to subscribe to this channel. Till I see you next time, please be good.